If you're like most people today, you're feeling what I call the holiday hangover. And I'm talking about the food coma caused by days of lechon, sweets, and heavy starches. Your body is likely screaming for a reset. And today I want to show you exactly how to handle the aftermath of the Christmas feast. Now, the biggest mistake we make is what's called the leftover loop. We tend to eat those same heavy inflammatory foods for 2, 3, 4 days straight. And this keeps your blood sugar spiked and your liver under constant pressure. And if you indulged in alcohol during the festivities, well, your body is currently depleted of B vitamins and magnesium. Alcohol is a diuretic that flushes out the very minerals your brain and heart need to stay calm and focused. That foggy feeling isn't just lack of sleep, it's a biological resource problem. So, how do we fix the bloat and the brain fog? Well, we need a three-step recovery strategy. Okay, first, the fasting flush. Give your digestive system a break. If you overate yesterday, try a 16-hour intermittent fast today. This allows your insulin levels to drop and gives your gut time to clear out the undigested stagnation. Number two is a liquid liver support. Drink massive amounts of water, but add a squeeze of fresh lemon. The citric acid supports liver function and helps flush out the extra sodium that's making you feel bloated. You can also try a liver detox supplement, a blend of a mix of specific herbs and probiotics that's best to help the liver process toxins more efficiently. Number three is the nutrient recharge, because alcohol and sugar deplete you. So immediately reach for a high quality B complex and magnesium. This helps your nervous system recover and stabilizes your energy levels without needing another caffeine hit. So don't let a one day feast turn into a 1 month health crisis. Okay?